Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Franklin, local, and long distance movers near me. When you work with our professional movers, you get access to the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you relocate 100 miles away or further, it's classified as a long-distance move. Not only do you have the stress of moving, but also the stress of getting used to a new place to call home. We can help relieve the stress of the move so things don't become too overwhelming for you. If you're ready to complete a local move, you need a good Idaho moving company. Professional movers will save you time and make sure your things are protected throughout the move. You will also avoid doing the heavy lifting, which means no worrying about injury. Choosing 3 men and a truck offers movers you can count on. We streamline the moving process even for a local move. You get to settle into your new location faster and with more energy. A move that might take you all weekend, we can get done in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Franklin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.